Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to restart or reset a Weebly website. Whether your current design isn't working or you simply want a fresh start, this guide explains how to manage those changes easily. To begin, ensure you are logged into your Weebly account. Once signed in, you will be directed to your dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your website projects. From the dashboard, navigate to the Overview section. This area provides a quick look at your website details and is the perfect place to access the controls needed for site management. If you intend to restart or reset an existing site, select the My Website option. This allows you to access your current sites to adjust customization settings, manage content, or tweak functionality. To create a brand new site from scratch, simply click Add Site to initiate a new project. If you would rather redesign an existing one, click Design Your Website. This opens the design interface where you can change themes, color schemes, and layouts. Once inside, start crafting your new look by clicking Design. This provides a wide array of creative tools to bring your vision to life. If you decide to completely remove a site that is no longer useful, return to the My Website section. Select the site you wish to remove from your list. To prevent accidental deletions, click Delete Site and then confirm your choice. This two-step method ensures you don't permanently remove a site by mistake. Once deleted, you can start over by clicking Add Site or Design. This freedom allows you to evolve your web presence by refreshing content and structure as needed. You should now have a clear understanding of how to reset a Weebly website. The process is simple, and with just a few clicks, you can revamp your site or start fresh. Whether you are adjusting a design or starting over, managing your web endeavors is now easier than ever. Thank you for following this tutorial. Happy designing!